Today I wanted to talk about our new Thieves Whitening Toothpaste. This product was specifically designed to be a whitening toothpaste. This advanced new formula developed by the D. Gary Young Research Institute contains highly specialized cleaning particles and novel polishing agents to remove surface stains and brighten enamel. This revolutionary toothpaste works in two ways to give you a brighter smile. First, brushing with Thieves Whitening Toothpaste not only helps remove plaque, but our round silica particles are specially designed to roll over the surface of teeth to effectively remove stains without scratching. Second, this novel toothpaste also incorporates as a polishing agent hydroxyapatite, which is the very same mineral that comprises your tooth enamel. By matching the hardness of the enamel, hydroxyapatite is able to optimally polish teeth for enhanced brightness and shine. Thieves Whitening Toothpaste uses the best of nature to provide fresh breath, clean teeth, and a brighter smile for your whole family.